Well, this is one of many tornadoes tonight in the high plains of Texas, as well as Kansas and Colorado. This particular video is to the southeast of Amarillo, but there were other tornadoes all the way up into Colorado. This developed into a large wedge tornado, and this actual supercell thunderstorm produced up to 2 tornadoes at one time together. So this was a tremendous supercell storm, and you can see that storm with precision right now. Right there it is, off to the northwest of Wichita Falls. That one right there, that's the one that produced that twister. We had a lot of other tornadoes as well, and one tornado in particular that likely tracked on a 30, possibly 40-mile path through southeastern Colorado. We had another long track tornado in Kansas that was reportedly a mile wide. So big tornadoes in the plains tonight. This system is headed our way, but it's not going to bring this kind of severe weather towards our area. There is some rain here in Missouri and a few thunderstorms. This is moving due east, really won't affect us, but we do have rain in the forecast, but it is slowing down quite a bit. Now let's look and go to 3D here, and you can kind of see what's going to happen here over the next several days. First of all, we'll look at current temps, which are running low 50s over our northern counties and northeast to about 60 in Lafayette and even 47 at Morocco. There's a little more cloud cover in our south, keeping the temps up, less to the north, which is allowing the temperature to cool off. It's like taking a blanket off of you and you get kind of cold at night. That's what clouds do during the overnight hours. Okay, here's the map for tomorrow. This is the first wave of steady rain with some storms slowing down. I think most of this is going to stay away from us tomorrow based on the new analysis. Pretty much Missouri, Iowa, down here into Kansas. As for us, we're not going to get by with no rain at all. I still think there will be maybe at least a few scattered showers around, but generally 1/10 of an inch or less. So it looks like we may ink out a decent Friday, but the first wave of pretty heavy rain will arrive tomorrow night with a few thunderstorms. Good news is this will likely get out of here by early Saturday afternoon, and we may get a nice break during the mid and late afternoon hours on Saturday for the Grand Prix over at Purdue. Let's hope for that, because here's the next wave of rain that will come through Saturday night and bring us another 1/2 to 1 inch of rainfall. And then finally, that third wave may actually develop on the back side of the low on Sunday. Low is going to sit over eastern Ohio, and on the back side, strong north to northeast winds, and we may see a band of rain pretty much sit on top of us all day on Sunday. That's not good news. With falling temperatures, in fact, by Sunday afternoon, we could be in the lower 50s, only 55 on Monday, and then some frost likely early on next week. But it still looks like a good 1.5 to 3 inches of rain area-wide. Even the timing has changed slightly. 2.5 inches of rain in some places in the center part of our viewing area to 3 inches down in the south. So clouding up, not as cool as it was this morning. Tonight, we were at 40 this morning. We'll be at 48 tonight. Tomorrow, I've increased the high a little bit because the rain has slowed down. 68 for the high temperature, 68 on Saturday, 57, but then falling on Sunday. Most of the afternoon, we're going to be in the lower 50s with a stiff north to northeast wind, and then some frost early on next week. But after that, we may get into a nice dry, warm pattern after that. But we've got a pretty big rain event to get through for now.
And we need the rain.
We could use a little rain. Yeah, it's getting pretty dry.
All right. Thanks, Chad. And Sports Director